How to use trust and will digital estate properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Most people assume creating a digital estate plan is as simple as filling out a form, but the surprising truth is that beginners often make mistakes that can lead to confusion, delays, or legal challenges. The first mistake is skipping customization. Trust and Will provides templates for wills, trusts, and guardianship, but beginners who don't personalize beneficiary information, assets, and special instructions risk creating an incomplete or ambiguous plan. Always take time to tailor each section to your unique situation. Another common error is ignoring state laws. Estate planning requirements vary by state, and beginners who don't verify compliance may produce a document that isn't legally enforceable. Always check local regulations for signing, witnessing, and notarization. Many users fail to designate guardianship or executors clearly. Ambiguity here can result in family disputes or court intervention. Specify trusted individuals with full contact information and confirm they are willing to take on the responsibility. Neglecting digital assets is another pitfall. Beginners often overlook online accounts, cryptocurrency, or intellectual property. Include detailed instructions for access and management to ensure nothing is left unresolved. Finally, some assume trust and will replaces professional advice. While it's convenient and affordable, complex estates, blended families, or tax concerns may require consultation with an attorney. Don't skip expert guidance if your situation isn't straightforward. To use trust and will properly, customize each document carefully, follow state laws, clearly designate guardians and executors, include digital assets, and seek professional advice when needed. Avoid these mistakes and your estate plan will be clear, secure, and enforceable, giving you peace of mind for the future.